that noise?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Firecracker, your 24/7 champion. And I'm currently in the room where Nicsick lives right now, going through his stuff because I can. Let's see, what do we got over here? $100? Oh, it's a fake. Why does he even have that? What do we got over here? What is going on over there? What do we got over here? Nicsick sunglasses. Doesn't even fit on my head.
Not on my watch.
Check this out. This is underwear. Well, oh!
1, 2, 3. Yes! Suck it. And, oh wait. Gotta be official. Sorry, Firecracker. And new 24/7 champion, Nicsick. You got a camera in here? Well, it's perfect. Because this goes out to anyone who wants to come after my 24/7 championship. My 24/7 championship. Just cry me a river.
Who are my enemies? When they step up, we'll see. This is my evolution.
Think with me now, I won't leave you forsaken. See through my eyes and I know you'll awaken. Reclaiming my voice so I won't be mistaken. Enter the walls of your brain like a breaking.